high protein yogurt blueberry dessert. Wow. Hello, Chef here. I'm coming at you today with a dessert. We're making a super high protein healthy yogurt cake. Follow along. Step 1, grease the pan. Why do we say grease the pan? This is a chef term. And please use a recycled piece of plastic. You can use butter if you like to. You can use unhealthy peanut oil or something else if you like to. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. I suggest you follow the chef. There's so many reasons why. And you see that? Recycled, back into the recycle bin. Oh yeah, let's follow along. Of course I'm using vanilla extract. This is the good stuff. This is organic Brazilian pure vanilla extract. And this is really, really amazing stuff. This is one of those rare vanillas that you're not going to find except at the sponsor. They sell quarts, pints, gallons, all kinds of stuff. I'm going to put a generous amount in this cake. Let's start with 2+ tablespoons. And the first step, of course, is beating your eggs. We're using whole fresh eggs, just like this. You smack them on the bowl and you drop them in. Using a whisk and beat it. When I'm making a large volume of this cake, I will use an electric mixer. But just for a quick one here, smaller amount. Yeah, I'm done. Oh, look at that nice firm yogurt. I like it. And by the way, you can get this anywhere you like to. Shop around for the deals. I'm going to be using 24 ounces. Here we go. That's 8. That's 16. Oh yeah. And there we go. That right there is 24 ounces of yogurt. And if you're wondering how I know, trust me, I've been doing this for decades. Oh yeah, here we go. Notice how I'm changing direction? There's many reasons for this. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Check out Chef's other videos. You're going to be like, wow, there is so much happening on this channel. And like, share, subscribe. Okay, we're almost there. For a sweetener in this cake, I'm using honey. This is one of those rare wildflower honeys. This one comes from the Carolinas, I believe. But anyway, search honey on this channel right here. You're going to learn all kinds of cool stuff. Let's put some of this honey right in here. We're going to be using, let me see, about 4 ounces of honey. Just like that. Next step in most of my recipes, taste and adjust the seasoning. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Now to get the mixture into the pan, you simply pour like this, gently, and get it all in there. You need Chef's high heat spatula. Oh yeah, you can get that at one place, and that's the sponsor. And wow, it's FDA silicone. They got all kinds of made in USA products. It's the best. So right there, I got all of the batter into the bowl. You see that? That's what you're looking for. No waste. Now we're adding a few blueberries because I got them. Blueberries are not created equal. These right here are Sunbell. This is like South America. All right, they're decent. Okay, they have been washed. I'm going to put just a few of these. in my cake like this. That's not enough. These ones, wow, these ones here are from Florida. Could be better. However, you're not going to know unless you subscribe and search blueberries on this channel. There's all kinds of things going on, and we did a blueberry superfood antioxidant review. There's quite a few recipes with blueberries on this channel. And that's it. I've got about half a pint of blueberries in there. This now goes in the oven. We're going to bake this at 300 Fahrenheit until it's done. Oh yeah, I'll be back. Don't forget, subscribe right here. People often ask me about butcher block care and maintenance, and I've actually got all the answers for you. So I've been using this for decades and decades, all different shapes and sizes. It just keeps on going. One of the questions that comes up all the time is how to maintain. Oil it monthly if it's oil finish. I prefer the mystery oil. This is the best. Beeswax is good too. So here you go. Can you put hot items on butcher block? Well, sure. But do you really want to leave a mark on your beautiful block? No. Use a trivet. Here we go. The finished yogurt cake. Looking really good. You know when it's done, when it does firm up. It's got a little bit of a brownness around the perimeter, and there's no more jiggle. When you grab that pan and you give it a little wiggle, it's not jiggling around, it's firm, it's set. Beautiful, looking good. I'll be back to show you the presentation. A square of the yogurt blueberry cake. A little bit of extra vanilla. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Try the recipe out. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Get cooking. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. High protein yogurt blueberry dessert. Wow. Healthy, filling, nutritious. Search blueberries on the channel. Subscribe right here. It's gonna be good. Buckle, blueberry cake, blueberry pie, blueberry jam, blueberries. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. Buy the best the first time. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Wow! Get the best the first time. It's gonna be good. My spatula. Well, this one here is about 10 to 12 years old. The problem is bacteria can, food and bacteria can accumulate down here where the wood meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.